CBS News Miami is tracking the tropics for you. Tropical Storm Erin gaining strength as it treks across the Atlantic Ocean. Good evening. I'm Elliot Rodriguez.
And I'm Lauren Pastrana. Thank you for joining us. Let's kick things off with next weather meteorologist Shane Hinton with a look at the latest track for Erin. Shane.
That's right, you guys. The 5 p.m. advisory is out. You're taking a look at the updated forecast cone behind me. But let me give you a look at this system as we do continue to track Tropical Storm Erin. Yes, still a tropical storm as it makes its way west across the Atlantic. Still moving west at 17 miles per hour toward the Lesser Antilles and the Leeward Islands. We do now have tropical storm watches in effect for the northern Leeward Islands. If you take a look at the statistics for it, still sustained winds of 60 miles per hour, making it that tropical storm status. But let me give you a look at just how far it is from everything here. Okay, so as you can see, still consistent pace. Yesterday it was moving a little bit faster, but we are going to continue to monitor kind of a pickward upward in momentum as we head throughout the next couple of days. By tomorrow, we're ending our work week, and we could be ending it with our first hurricane in the Atlantic of the season. Now, it is expected to keep the majority of it, so the center of the system just north of the Leeward Islands, but still expecting impacts for the Leeward Islands and maybe even for portions of Puerto Rico. You'll notice that it then starts to make its northerly turn by the end of the weekend, and at that point it could be our first major hurricane of the season as well. Most models still showing that sharp turn to the north and then eventually moving back out into the Atlantic. And some of the models, I will say, have been hinting at maybe even a stronger intensification than this. Right now you're seeing the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center saying a Category 3, which is still a major hurricane, but some models have been hinting at even stronger than that.